all the clothes out of there, and we put down a soft type mattress and pillows and decided this is where we're going to hunker down. I feel very well blessed from God for him to give us this experience and to be able to survive and live through this. And I had many friends and family so worried and calling, but the hardest part is no power and no water, and not knowing when that will come.
That's the hurricane.
We got the pretty one out.
Yeah.
Feel
The morning
pretty
we
safe.
left, I didn't know if, when we came back if it'd be here. It was pretty sad.
I broke down and cried. My house is still here.